Hi, my name is Joan Hayes, and I was just going to go through the Aprender login process and also just give you a little tutorial on how our program works. The first thing that will happen is once you get your information to us, we will send you what we call a welcome email. And this is an example right here of a welcome email. It gives you information and it gives you the 2 steps that you need to start with Aprender. Down at the bottom of this welcome email, there's 2 videos that you can find on YouTube. One of it is called the diagnostic test, and it gives you a detailed description of the diagnostic test. You can also watch the video Learning Paths, which also gives you a detailed description of the learning path. Then below that is a link for a PDF called Student Handbook. You can download this and save it to your files and use it for easy reference. So back up here to your login. It's login.edmentum.com. I can copy and I can paste that into my browser and it takes me to the login page. So here we have an APRE and we have Fred and Fred. So that's what I have here. I'll log in there. And you can see right here is Fred, and his name is right up here in the left-hand corner. There are 3 diagnostic tests that you will take when you log in math, language arts, and reading. And they'll all be right here on your dashboard when you log in. Now, for this student, he has already started his test, but usually this would be green that says start. It's pretty self-explanatory. We can start this right here with the math test, and we can just click continue. And I just want to show you that you can answer these questions and then hit submit. And depending on how you answer these questions depends on the learning path. So this program takes the results of this test and then it creates an individualized learning path for you, and it focuses on your strengths and it focuses on your weaknesses. So if you are very good at addition already, it will give you a very minimal amount of addition facts to practice. If you are struggling with fractions, it'll give you more fractions to practice on. So as you're taking this test, if you realize that you had to go somewhere, you can hit save and exit. Click OK, and it will take you back to your dashboard, and it'll allow you to log in at a different time. This student right here, this is just a demo student. They still have 2 tests that need to be taken here, but they have completed their math test. So I'm going to go here to learning path, and I want to show you what a learning path looks like. So this is a math learning path right here, and your lessons show up right here. Usually only have 5 lessons at a time, and the majority of your lessons have a tutorial, your lesson, a practice, and your quiz. So you can click on your first lesson tutorial. Oh, I apologize. This just means that I was accidentally logged out. So I'll just log back in very quickly. I apologize for the wait, but here we go again, and we'll look at the learning path for math. We'll click on the lesson here for start. You'll see here that it has volume to it. And you can click start.
Hi, Rosa. What's
and again,
that? I'm making a treasure chest. I'm going to cover it with seashells. Granny ordered 72 seashells for me. The words on the box tell how many
So I'm
seashells
going to
there
click
are.
to the
Thanks
end
for
of
helping me,
this.
Sten.
I can't wait to see your treasure chest. It should be really special.
And I'm going to click back to learning path. And then I'm going to start my practice. And I just want to show you on the practice, there's usually 10 questions on your practice. And I want to show you that if you miss a question, it will prompt you to answer the question again. Click start.
There are 72 seashells
Again,
in Rosa's box.
there's
You can
volumes
use
if you need to
words
hear.
or numbers to tell how many seashells there are.
This is just a quick tutorial again, and
When
I'm going to click
Rosa
skip
put
here.
her shells into groups of 10. Use the number selector to tell how many shells she has.
So I'm
What
going to
number
answer
tells
this
how many
question
seashells there are?
correctly. I'll do correctly first.
Good work. There are 2 10s and 4 1s. The number is 24. What number tells how many seashells there are?
And this one I'm going to click answer incorrectly.
Count the number of groups that have 10 shells.
So
This
it
tells
tells you
you
that
the
you're
digit
incorrect.
that goes in
it
the
goes
tens
through a little
place.
tutorial again, and it asks you to answer one more time.
Good work.
And then it goes on to the
There
next
are
one.
5
You can see
10s
up here
and
where your
3
questions
1s.
are right
The
there.
number is
You'll have 12 questions in this one.
53. What
Back to
number
your learning
tells
path
how many
again.
seashells there are?
And you can click continue at any time, and you can go to your quiz next. Now on your quiz, I just want to make a point that whatever you answer, and it does not give you a second chance to fix your answer if you answered it incorrectly. This interface right here is for the elementary students, and I just wanted to show you that this would be an interface for an older student. So Henry right here, he has the 3 diagnostic tests that he still needs to take. And he would just click continue. I might have to log back in. Sorry about that. So I'm going to sign back in as Henry. And you can see that his learning path, his dashboard looks a little bit different. So he would just continue for his test on language arts. And again, if he needed to stop, he could click save and exit. So I hope I went through everything for you today. I'm sure that you'll have more questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. You can email me at joan@aprender.io. You can respond to this welcome email. I'll get it that way. Or you can call me also at 314-566-6573. Thank you for your time today. Take care.